nathi-ke leminyangeni ake sikhuleni akube khona into esizi-edayo eziwulwazi ezizosisiza. Lime kusizakele thina kuzobe sekusizakala i-patient esukiza kuthina regardless ukuthi unolwazi noma unalo kodwa still yeza ingazi ukuthi how ignorant are you. Your stupidity is getting gross. Awukwazi ukuthi nanamanje usasitshela wena ukuthi wenza lento oyenzayo. This is Babu Dokotela. Lana ngifuna ukukhuluma ngento esisihluphile mase singabi nayo i-diagnose yayo ngoba thina sizinyanga. Yabo angifuni ukuthi ngi-insult abelaphi bendabuko. Don't get me wrong. I don't insult them. All I'm insulting, it is an organization lengamele abelaphi bendabuko that does not give them a space to acquire knowledge from the good specialists and profession. Ukuthi labantu abayizangoma abazinyanga ababathandazi akube khona ama workshop whereby they are getting called so that it will be enlightened ngezinto zezempilo. Njengamanje sinenkinga kubelaphi bendabuko ye-parastasia. Awukwazi ukugcaba umuntu one-parastasia. Ingcabo ziba septic immediately that person is due for amputation. That you cannot be doing. And into embi njengoba ngithi sine-council yabelaphi bendabuko ayifuni ukuthi ibe nesikhathi ukukhokhela ama-medics ama-lecturers from universities ukuthi akube nama-workshop that are paid by the council. Ukuthi ake kufundiswa abalaphi bendabuko asikwazi sibe nabantu aba-amputated because the mistake that we did conducted what is called is a wrong diagnosis. I-parastasia umuntu ongabanjiswanga uyafika lo mntwana kuwena une-symptoms ye-cattle one-parastasia kodwa manje uthi izandla zakhe umebamba into ziyaziwela okusho ukuthi bambambise emsebenzini isibango leso sasemsebenzini ngoba vese usebenza kahle uyamthatha umjijela ingcabo emva kaloko lo mntwana kuyabhibha uyakufonela uyafika umnika umuntu wesilonda emva kaloko uyamcontest. You understand? Usuyamcontesta ke manje egcineni uyakiyeka uyahamba esibhedlela bomnquma isandla lese sesi septic. You understand? Kalondlela ke ngifuna ukuthi sifundise ukuthi we as izinyanga kunezinto nathi ekubekufuza ukuthi njengoba begijime bathi asijoin inhlangano le inhlangano zisiza ngani yini esezisinika asifuni ukudla basinika sinika knowledge it is very expensive. Parastasia asinayo i-clinical diagnosis